Huawei has just announced two new wearables, the HUAWEI Watch Fit and the HUAWEI FreeLace Pro. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and first look of the HUAWEI Watch Fit. Let's begin with the unboxing. First, you will see the watch, followed by a charging cables and quick start guide manual. The watch fit has a rectangle shaped display with some Apple Watch DNA. On the right side, it has buttons. The matte texture frame paired perfectly with an interchangeable soft silicone strap. It comes in two colors, graphite black that I'm reviewing right now, and sakura pink that come in a rose gold frame paired with soft pink color straps. It's lightweight and comfortable to put on. The HUAWEI Watch Fit sport a 1.64-inch AMOLED display, 5 ATM water resistant, built-in GPS, SpO2 monitor, TrueSense 4.0 heart rate monitor, True Sleep Monitor 2.0, and True Relax monitor. To pair the smartwatch, you need to install Huawei Health apps onto your Android or iOS smartphone. Then from the apps, you're able to pair the HUAWEI Watch Fit. There are total 96 workout mode preset with 11 professional sport modes including running, swimming, and cycling. The watch also keeps track of real-time heart rates and calories during the workouts. You also get a private trainer where it provides 12 kinds of animated workout demonstration short videos for you to follow. The bright and beautiful AMOLED display has a Surveillance Watch Faces preset that can be downloaded from the Watch Face store. You can also customize with your very own photo as face watch. The HUAWEI Watch Fit offers up to 10 days of battery life and supports quick charge technology that allows whole day usage with just a 5-minute charge. The HUAWEI Watch Fit is a smart workout companion that matches perfectly with the HUAWEI FreeLace Pro, which I'll be reviewing very soon. The HUAWEI Watch Fit will be available starting from 9th of September 2020 for Rm499 ringgit, and if you are purchasing 2 units, you will get an instant rebate of Rm100 ringgit. How about getting a couple watch to work out together? A more comprehensive review of the HUAWEI Watch Fit will be available over on our website at theideamobile.com. Hope you like these videos. Subscribe to these channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys again soon.